Hey guys, Aubrey here. Today I am doing the Eureka Math Grade 1 Module 2 Lesson 10 homework. So let's get started. Solve, match the number sentence to the 10 plus number bond that helped you solve the problem. Write the 10 plus number sentence. So over here, they've given us a little example. 9 plus 3 equals 12. And they divide that. But again, like I always say, one of the most important things when doing a math problem is understanding the problem itself. So here it's saying we're matching the number sentence, these sentences over here, to the 10 plus number bond. So these are the number bonds that helped us solve the problem. And we're writing the 10 plus number sentence. And these are called 10 plus because the equation is 10 plus blah, blah, blah. So yeah, let's look at number 1. Here we have 8 plus 6. So we can choose up which number we want to divide because in the end, it will give us not only the same total, but it will give us the same 10 plus number sentence since we are making 10 with these two numbers. So let's break up 6. So I'm choosing to break up 6. So we divide into 2 parts. So since we're making 10 here, we have to figure out what plus 8 equals 10. So we know that 8 plus 2 equals 10. So we can take 2 out and then we subtract 2 from 6. So that leaves us with 4. So now we can think of this as 10 and then 4. Which is 10 plus 4. So now we look for the number bond that helped us solve the problem. So in this column number bonds, we're trying to look for the number bond that represents 10 plus 4. So here, 10 and 1, which represents 10 plus 1. That's not what we're looking for. Here's 10 plus 5, 10 plus 2, 10 plus 4. So this one matches, so we connect these together. And now we write out our sentence. So 10 plus 4 equals 14, which means 8 plus 6 equals 14. And number 2, 7 plus 5 equals blank. Let's break up 5. So here I'm choosing to break apart 5. 7 plus 3 is 10, so we take out 3. And then 3 from 5 would be 2. So now we think of this as 10 and 2. So 10 plus 2. So let's look for that here. So here there's 10 plus 1, 10 plus 5, and 10 plus 2. So this represents that. So we match the number bonds together. And then we write our sentence. So 10 plus 2 equals 12. Which means that 7 plus 5 equals 12. So number 3, 5 plus 8. So here let's break apart the 5. So we know 8 plus 2 is 10, so we take out the 2, which leaves us with 3 left. So we can think of this now as 10 plus 3. So let's look for our number bond here. So we have 10 plus 1, nope. 10 plus 5, nope. This one's taken, and that one's also taken. And here we have 10 plus 3, which represents this problem. So we connect these together, and we write our sentence out. So 10 plus 3 equals 13, which means that 5 plus 8 also equals 13. For number 4, 4 plus 7. So let's break apart 4 here. 7 plus 3 is 10, so we take out 3. And then 4 minus 3 leaves us with 1 left. So now we can think of this as 10 plus 1. So here, if you look in this number bond, we have 10 here and 1 here, which represents 10 plus 1. So we match these together. And we do 10 plus 1 equals 11. So 4 plus 7 equals 11. And now over here, number 5. 6 plus 9. So let's break apart 6 here. We know 9 plus 1 is 10, so we take out 1, and 6 minus 1 is 5. So now let's think of this as 10 plus 5. So here we have one number bond left. There's 10 and 5, which perfectly represents 10 plus 5. So we match these together, and we write our equation out. So 10 plus 5 equals 15. So then 6 plus 9 equals to 15. And then now next page. Alright, so here it says complete the number sentences so they equal the given number bond. So here, as you can see in each problem, they've given us 3 number sentences, and our job is to complete them by filling in the blanks so they equal the number bond above. So here also, in some of them, we need to fill in the blank for them. So what they're saying here is that we need to find what number plus this will equal to the total. So let's look at number 6. We have 10 and 2. So they didn't give us a total yet, but they did give us the 2 parts. So if we add 10 and 2 together, which is 12, then we can find our total. So 10 plus 2 equals 12. And it also says 12 over here. So now we fill this in. So 9 plus blank equals 12. We have to figure out what plus 9 equals to 12. So if we do 12 minus 9, which is 3, then that gives us 3. So then that means 9 plus 3 equals 12. And then here we have 8 plus blank equals 12. 12 minus 8 is 4, so 8 plus 4 is 12. And then 12 minus 7 is 5, which means that 7 plus 5 equals 12. So now let's take a look at number 7. They've given us the total for us. So 13 minus 9 is 4. So here we write a 4. 13 minus 8 is 5. And 13 minus 7 is 6. So if you start noticing a pattern, this is going up like 3, 4, 5, and here is 4, 5, 6. So let's look at this problem. Here we have 14 is our total, minus 9 would be 5, so 9 plus 5 is 14. And now if we look at the 8, this is 1 less than 9, so then 14 minus 8 would be 6, so it would be higher. And then here, 14 minus 7 is 7. So 7 plus 7 is 14. Number 9. So here we have to find the total first. So 10 and 5, if we add these up together, we could find the total. So 10 plus 5 equals 15. So 15 is our total. So 15 equals 9 plus blank. So now we have to find out what plus 9 equals 15. So 15 minus 9 is 6, so we can write 9 plus 6 equals 15. And here they've only given us 8, but we know 15 is our total, so this would be 15 equal 8 plus 7. And here, write the total. And we know 8 plus 7 is 15, so that means that 7 plus 8 is 15. Number 10, 16 equals 9 plus blank. If we do 16 minus 9, which is 7, then 7 plus 9 equals 16. And then blank equals 8 plus blank. So our total is 16, so let's write that here. And also, we know that the 16 goes here and not there because there's an equal sign right there. So it's saying 8 plus something equals to this number. And 8 plus 8 equals 16 because our double facts. And now 7 plus blank equals 16. 16 minus 7 is 9, so 9 plus 7 is 16. And for problem 11, 10 and 7. So let's first start off by finding the total. So 10 plus 7 is 17, which means our total is 17. So in here they've given us the numbers, but we need to find the total. So our total here is 17, so this is 17. 9 plus 8 equals 17. And now let's write our total. So since we know that 9 plus 8 equals 17, then it would also give us the same total if we flip these two numbers around. So now we have 8, so then that would be 8 plus 9 equals 17. And then here we have 17 equals 7 plus blank. Here we are doing 7 plus 10 equals 17, which means 7 plus 10 equals 17. So I write 10 over here. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps my channel out. See you guys next time. Bye!